Look, everyone watching knows the pain staring you in the face when you try to raise money for a project, a startup, or a new idea. The doors slam shut or crack open just enough to make you doubt everything. You felt the frustration of endless pitches that go nowhere, the heartbreak of watching investors prioritize shiny trends or safe bets instead of real innovation. You're stuck in this loop where old money plays by old rules and you get left out. It's raw, it's infuriating, and it's holding back what could really change the game. But here's what no one tells you. Equity crowdfunding isn't just a desperate last resort anymore. It's a battlefield. And right now, a few people, the real Mavericks, are rewriting the rules in ways that crush the old model and devastate the gatekeepers. If you haven't noticed, this is where disruption is happening faster than traditional VC funds can blink. So, if you want to stop banging your head against the wall, listen up tight, because this is how you take control and actually win. First, brutal fact. The biggest issue with crowdfunding has been noise and lack of rigor. Anyone can pitch, and most do. But these new leaders are building real, scalable communities. People who don't just click invest, but actually believe, vet, and hold each other accountable. Invested capital is flowing through networks that know each other personally or through trusted connections. You want in? Stop chasing anonymous pools of money and start building or joining those tight-knit ecosystems where transparency and trust are non-negotiable. This is beyond marketing fluff. It's about creating hardcore, expert-driven communities where failure is a lesson, not a roadblock. Number 2, forget the old pitch deck. These Mavericks have cracked the code on storytelling that's brutally honest and laser-focused on traction and real impact. Your story isn't about potential anymore. It's about what's already happening on the ground. They demand data and milestones that scream, this is not a fantasy. If your traction is weak, forget a dime. So stop wasting time polishing your logo and start sealing deals with real clients, real users, and real cash flow. The adrenaline is in evidence, not in buzzwords. Third thing, these people aren't just raising money. They're handing out ownership, collaboration, and responsibility. Equity crowdfunding today isn't about taking anyone's money blindly. It's about inviting the right people in, investors who understand your vision and bring more than cash. They bring networks, options, strategy. You gotta be ruthless here. Vet your investors like you vet your co-founders. This is a partnership, not a handout. Build that muscle. And here's the most important part, the big why behind all this. You don't want to be a cog grinding in some slow-moving system, serving old politics and outdated ideas. You need to own your venture on your terms. The Mavericks you want to follow are pushing global networks of founders and investors who don't care about where you're from or what pedigree you carry. They care if you solve problems and move the needle. This isn't a local game anymore. You have to think beyond borders and old loyalty programs. Connect, build, fund across continents without begging permission from anyone. If you walk away thinking this is just some hype, you're missing the point completely. The old world of venture capital was always neat, tidy, and sad, favoring a very small group. Equity crowdfunding, as it's being reshaped right now, tears that apart. It hands the power back to creators and disruptors who refuse to play it safe or fit into old molds. So, what's next? Go find those networks that genuinely connect real founders and real investors. Don't just look for money. Look for people who will push you, challenge you, and grow with you. Execute relentlessly on real proof you're building something people want. Open your cap table carefully to those who bring more than money to the table. You need fighters, not bystanders. This isn't about luck or who you know. It's about building your corner of the future with ruthless honesty and unstoppable drive. The Mavericks are doing it right now. Don't watch from the sidelines. Get in, get wired, and start reshaping what equity crowdfunding means. Your fight, your rules. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.